The Bitcoin halving was yesterday, guys, and the price of Bitcoin stayed the same. Guys, obviously there wasn't going to be news. The price of the halving was already factored into it and everything like that. But I just added a brand new crypto to my portfolio because these are amazing buying opportunities. And today we're going to be taking a look at GFI Goldfinch Crypto. My name is Roshawn. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. We cover the greatest and latest crypto content, hoping to bag you guys a 10, 20, 50x in this bull run. Let's hop right into the video. All right, guys. So GFI Goldfinch, you guys know that I love the RWA niche, the narrative, and after getting completely wrecked on Rio, I knew that I needed to get some exposure into RWA because I feel like RWA is going to be massive in this bull run. Now, guys, our GFI Goldfinch, what makes me bullish is that it already didn't have, or sorry, already didn't have, is that it didn't already have a bull run, right? It came out in 2022 at 11 bucks. Obviously, it dropped all the way down here, and now we ran up in the last year 500%, guys. We rode all the way up to 5.3. I think even got closer to 6 line. Did we actually hit 6? 5.95. So we technically hit around 6, and now we're down, I want to say, about 40%. So if you want to get into an RWA narrative, obviously not financial advice, but I think GFI Goldfinch is the perfect opportunity. I have to sneeze. Give me a moment. No, I'm good. Anyways, okay, so with the only $106 million market cap, I actually do believe that is a little bit wrong here. Anyways, it's on the Ethereum network, but you could get this on so many exchanges. The main thing that got me bullish is that you could get it on Coinbase exchange, guys. Now, Coinbase, it takes a lot of capital to list it on Coinbase, and the biggest thing about this crypto is that Coinbase is actually backing this crypto, which gets me extremely bullish. So you could buy it on Coinbase, Uniswap, Gate.io, BingX, and everything like that. Now, here is what gets me bullish on it. It's actually that, okay, so first of all, the market cap is 260 million. So I want you guys to remember that. The price right now is 3.65. Total value locked 3.34 million. And this is what gets me excited. So this is the website. It looks epic. It looks so cool. But it's backed by all these visionaries. Andrew Howard-Wise, Coinbase Ventures, Variant, Kinder Ventures, CEO Lab, SV Angel, Mercy Crops Ventures, A_Capital, Access Ventures, Stratos Technology. Now, most of these are venture capitals, and I believe that when these guys get into a coin, they're not just investing tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, they're investing millions upon millions of dollars, tens of millions of dollars, guys, into these type of cryptos. And the fact that it has that type of backing gets me very bullish on it. Also, if you guys didn't know, BlackRock, the world's largest asset holder, is going to be buying RWA assets. They're very interested in RWA, which is why the narrative for this bull cycle is probably the top one, guys. So if you don't have exposure to RWA, it's time that you start actually getting into one. I was a fan of RWA, but it got completely wrecked. It's not on any central exchanges, so I thought that Goldfinch, after doing research, was the next best play. Now, okay, so let's take a look at their website. Excited to see live on Huron_finance, open for investment and built on top of Goldfinch_FI. US accredited investors can now build a portfolio of private credit deals on Huron Finance. Coinbase integration for USD funding, seamless passkeys account creation built on base $100 minimum investment. Now, what gets me bullish on this is that what is RWA? So Goldfinch is a decentralized credit protocol built for the future when all debt is on chain. It offers sustainable, high quality yields that are generated by real world economy activity sheltered for DeFi's volatility. It's basically real world assets but on the blockchain so people could take out loans for these real world assets. Now, guys, again, this is obviously very bullish news. Real world assets RWA is poised to be the biggest crypto narrative in 2024. So we asked the experts at Goldfinch to discuss how RWAs on the blockchain revolutionizes investing. Like I said, guys, BlackRock is getting their feet wet with RWA, and if BlackRock is doing something, you'd probably want to follow that same narrative. Now, this is what the chart's looking like. GFI is actually not looking too terrible here. She's taking a good beating though. I think she's more than primed and corrected. Now, once BTC is back, GFI is going to rip. Now, the reason for this correction, it took like almost a 40% correction, is because one of the people they lended to actually defaulted on their loan. And obviously, guys, it's going to happen, right? When you give people money to invest with, obviously some people might not be able to pay it back, and that's completely normal. That's what happens. But it shows that the team is proactive and they're actually using their product. There's some RWA assets out there that haven't even properly launched yet. So GFI, that's just a small blip on the radar. It doesn't really mean anything. I mean, people like investors, they default on their loans all the time. Regardless, the long-term scope of this is very bullish in my opinion. Now, I believe that GFI has the potential to get anywhere from up to $30 to $50 as bull cycle. If I'm being super bullish, maybe even $80, $90. Who knows? I don't think it's going to the three-figure mark. I don't think it's going to $100, but 30 to $50, which is about a 10, almost 10, 15, 20x from these prices. So guys, if you are new to the channel, you know how this goes. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only what I'm doing, the moves that I'm making because the Bitcoin halving is in and I don't want to miss out on gains. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, comment what your thoughts are on GFI Goldfinch, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.